Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 28th November 2024. LIC plans to buy half of ManipalCigna Health Insurance. The deal could be worth Rs 4,000 crore. This move will let LIC enter the health insurance market. ManipalCigna is a joint venture between Manipal Group and Cigna Corporation. Both will reduce their stakes if the deal happens. LIC's managing director hinted at this acquisition during an earnings call. Mall developers are reducing multiplex spaces in future projects due to declining footfall and revenues. Multiplexes now contribute only 6 to 7% of mall traffic compared to 10% previously. The rise of OTT platforms and a lack of compelling content are cited as key reasons, prompting developers to allocate more space to other entertainment and F&B options. The Capital Market Regulator or SEBI has asked fund house and portfolio management firms to disclose the number of high-risk individual clients, investors from grey-listed countries, the number of dodgy actors whose accounts were frozen, and whether they encountered issues or challenges in imposing a freeze order. The market intermediaries will have to submit the data along with a slew of other information to the regulator by November 30th. They have to also share the number of offshore clients, investors who had been pulled up by the regulator in the past 2 years, and those against whom orders have been issued by other agencies or were in the news for any financial scam. Financial market regulators have been extra vigilant over the last 18 months, assessing the type of investors and color of money in the wake of the review by the Financial Action Task Force or FATF, the international organization to combat money laundering. Avium India Housing Finance is under investigation for potential fraud after the National Housing Bank discovered inflated mutual fund investments. The company, backed by Nuveen and Gojo & Co., informed lenders of a cash crunch and delayed payments, citing discrepancies in their books and sticky receivables. A forensic audit is underway and Avium is exploring options for raising additional capital. National Housing Bank, a quasi-housing finance regulator, has appointed consulting firm EY India to conduct a forensic audit on the housing finance company, which is focused on women borrowers availing of loans ranging from Rs 1 lakh to Rs 5 lakh. The National Financial Reporting Authority or NFRA in its 19th meeting recommended 40 standards on auditing and related standards on quality management for LLP audits under Section 34A of the LLP Amendment Act 2021. These standards, finalized in its earlier meeting, will apply to LLPs on a mutatis mutandis basis. Upon the approval of the central government, these standards are recommended to be effective from 1st April 2026. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share